TallySchool. Learn Tally online easily at TallySchool. Hi, I am Rishit Shah from TallySchool, and in this video I'm going to explain you another part of stock market entries, which is called intraday trading. I have got many emails and questions asked about intraday trading and how to create entries for that. And let me first tell you that it is really simple to create intraday trading entries in Tally. So let's just jump to the topic right away without wasting of time, yours and mine. So from gateway of Tally, we have to first create a ledger called intraday trading or intraday profit and loss. I like to call it intraday profit and loss. So let's go and create a ledger, and I'll tell you why at the time of creating the ledger. So from gateway of Tally, go to accounts info, then go to ledgers, then under single ledger select create and press enter. Now for the name, as I said, intraday profit and loss, and press enter. Now why we are creating this ledger? Because whenever we create intraday loss or we have intraday profit, we will be debiting or crediting this ledger. So when we have intraday loss, we will debit this ledger and credit the stockbroker's ledger, and whenever we have intraday profit, we will debit the stockbroker's ledger and credit this ledger. So this is how the entry works. I've told you prima facie that the entry works, what and how the entry works. So now list of groups under, now this can be under capital account or direct expenses or income account. So if you are a share investor, that is you invest in stock market and not just speculate or trade on a regular basis, then this should be under capital account, because at the end of the year it will be your capital gain or capital loss. And if you are a trader or speculator and you trade or speculate in stocks on a daily basis or on a regular basis, then this can be under income or expenses, because at the end of the year you do not know whether it is income or expense. So keep it under income or expense, whatever you like, and at the end of the year just see the position of this account, whether it is profit or loss. And if it is profit, put it under income, and if it is lost, alter it and put it under expense account. Don't worry, I'll show you that in this video, but first for this entry let me put it under capital account, and then I'll alter the ledger for you. So capital account, and inventory values are affected, set it to no. Yes, no, 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 big no. And then go ahead and just press enter several times, and when it comes to this small window for accepting, press enter and save it. So we have created the intraday profit and loss ledger under capital account. Now what we will do is we'll create the entry for our intraday trading. So let's come back to gateway of Tally by pressing escape. And now for example, we'll take a scenario. Let's say we have a profit of 100 rupees on our intraday trading of stocks. So we'll go to accounting vouchers, and if you are in journal like me, then it's okay. And if you are not in journal, if you are in contra payment or receipt, press F7. That's the shortcut for journal voucher. So come to the journal, it will look pink like this, and press F7 for coming to journal. Now select the date of your choice for the entry, press enter. Now as I said earlier, we have a profit of 100 rupees on our intraday trading of stocks. So what we'll do is we'll debit stockbroker's account and credit intraday profit and loss, because we have a profit. And why we are debiting the stockbroker? Because we have to take money from him, and therefore for this entry he is our debtor, that is, he is our asset, and asset means debit, that is basic accounting. So let's debit stockbroker. Here is stockbroker, and if you do not know how to create all these accounts, I've already explained them in another video which I just uploaded. And if you're watching after this video after some time, I've linked to that video in the description, as well as it will display on the screen here. There is there is stock market trading as stock market entries in Tally as a trading or as a trader. I have in that video, that is 35 minutes long video, and I've explained how to create all these ledgers. That is service tax, share brokerage, share purchases, share sales, stock broker, STT service tax, and other charges. I've explained how you can create all that ledgers in that video, and that video is linked down in the description, as well as you'll see the link here on the screen. So click on the video, watch that, and come back here once again to see this entry. So coming back to the entry, we have a profit of 100 rupees after the share brokerage, service tax, other charges. So debit stock broker by 100 rupees and credit intraday profit and loss by 100 rupees. And in the narration, now here comes a tricky part. What we have traded for intraday that I never told you in this video. So let's say we have traded Reliance's 100 stocks. For example, it is just an example. Don't try to calculate the value of the shares of Reliance of 100 rupees for 100 stocks. I know I'm wrong, but this is just an example. So you have to write here intraday trading of Reliance 100 shares. So in future, whenever you see this entry and see the narration, you'll see that what intraday trading has been done for this entry. So it clearly says intraday trading of Reliance 100 shares, and press enter and save it. So this was the intraday trading entry, my friends. This is as simple as it looks, and I've already explained this. So if you had any confusion regarding the intraday trading, I've already explained this in this video. Now, what if you are not an investor but you are a trader? So let me come back to that also. So first of all, we'll come back to the gateway of Tally by pressing escape, and we'll move on to the balance sheet to see the effect of what we have done right now. So select balance sheet, press Alt plus F1, and as you can see, capital account, under capital account, intraday profit and loss, credit balance 100. So if we go in there, 100 rupees is the credit balance that we have profit of intraday profit and loss. Because we are investor, it will show on the capital account. Now, what if we are a trader? So let's go there and let's select the entry once again. So now we are a trader, and our income should be displayed in the profit and loss account and not in the balance sheet. So I hope you are aware of the rules of investing and trading. So select this and press Ctrl plus Alt to alter the ledger intraday profit and loss. And now come to the list of groups. Under capital account, it says now select income, direct or indirect, whatever it may be. So income, inventory values are affected, no service tax, and just save it and go ahead and save the entry. Now what Tally has done is, or what we have done is, we have credited the income to the profit and loss account. So we are a trader or a speculator, and our income will accumulate in profit and loss account, or our losses will also accumulate in profit and loss account. So now let's go back by pressing escape, and as you can see, there is nothing under capital account. And if we go to profit and loss account by pressing escape, then go to profit and loss account from gateway of Tally, press Alt plus F1. Now indirect incomes, as you see, intraday profit and loss. So this is how the intraday entry works. If you are a trader or speculator, put it under income or expense, and at the end of the year check whether it is income or expense and alter the ledger as I've already done in front of you. And if you are an investor, or if you are an investor, you can do is create it under capital account, and whatever the amount, minus or plus, it will display under capital account. So that is it. the intraday trading entry in Tally. This is very easy and very simple to create. I hope you have understood very clearly what the intraday trading entry is. And if you have any doubts, any single doubt, and if you are watching this on YouTube, comment below. If you're watching this on TallySchool, comment below on the blog post. I'll be ready to help you and solve your doubts. So I am sure you learned from this video the basic confusion that people have regarding intraday trading. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends, and whatever you like, share this video so they can be also helped with this easy entry. It will help them, it will help me as well. So if you have liked the video a bit, or if you are helped by this video, do share the video and I'll be grateful for that. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. And one more announcement I want to make is, from now on this video, I'll be posting new videos every Monday. So be sure to tune in to TallySchool every Monday, because new video on Tally will be there every Monday. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video next Monday.